Okay, so we're back. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and work on the carburetor. This is the carburetor for, it is HDC carburetor that is made by Walboro. They make pretty good carburetors. And I also have, I have the carburetor kit. Just this is a rebuild kit for it. It is a K10 HDC, and we're going to rebuild the whole thing. And this has, let's see what parts this has, because I'm not sure what it got all together. Okay.
Well, now that Godzilla's back, it means I finally get to do this. Get the fuck up! Simon said, get the fuck up! Go get hit!
Okay. Okay.
Damn, Kaiser Ghidorah may have got an extra pair of legs, but he should have brought some extra heads with him.
Oh, here it is. Now, it's got a couple of diaphragms here. Has a needle. It has, which is,
Godzilla took care of all the monsters. Unfortunately for our heroes, they forgot the crucial detail that he's still Godzilla.
And it has two filters. This one, really small one, and this bigger one. So let's go ahead and let's do the bigger one. That's easier to do. There we go. Very carefully put this new gas filter in there. Now, okay, so I put in the new tiny little gas filter. I'm gonna put this guy in. There we go. Okay, here we go. Now, let's see, put in a new, let's see, which one do I need here? Okay, so, okay, we put this gasket here. So go ahead and we put that there, and where's, okay, there we go. A little bolt here. Let's see, where's a small screwdriver? Oh, jeez. I got like 50 screwdrivers around here and I can't find a good one. There's a tiny little one. Okay, there we go. Put in the other bolt here. Okay. Go ahead and put in my little valve there. Okay, here we go. This one's a little bit tricky and stuff. There's no bolt that holds this down. What I need to do is just take this guy and then go ahead and click him in there. And that will be the way to go ahead and work this guy. Let's see, what is that there? Okay. Okay. So. Okay, good. That's good enough. Now the way to measure this is that this little lever here needs to be high. When you just touching something to go straight across there. So that's pretty good, I think. And what it does is that it opens the valve there, so the some go ahead and gas can go through. So go ahead and put my put just a little bit tiny hair more.
So to catch everybody up, about a year and a half ago I reviewed Godzilla 1985, which brought Godzilla back to his dark, destructive roots.
Okay.
After nearly a decade away from
I think that should be perfect there.
fans were clamoring for a sequel. They finally got one 5 years later with Godzilla vs. Biollante. Rather than coming up with a story themselves, Toho instead held a contest where fans
Now,
considered story ideas, with the winning entry
put it on the top here, and there's
I'm a little surprised more movie studios haven't done this. Don't feel like thinking of a story for your movie? Just get the fans to do it for you. The story for Godzilla vs. Biollante was chosen as the winner, but another entry in the contest ended up becoming the basis for the movie Gunhead. Wow, how did that not win? While this isn't exactly one of the most popular Godzilla films, it is something of a fan favorite, and it even came in at number 8 in my top 10 Godzilla movies list. I'm still gonna make jokes, of course, but at least this time I won't have to defend it against Leonard Maltin. Godzilla vs. Biollante, brought to you by...
there we go.
Is Sony gonna block this video, or Miramax?
Okay.
Now, movie, no need to open with scenes from Godzilla 1985. I already talked about that.
Do, 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 do,
That movie
do.
ended with Godzilla being defeated by getting trapped in a volcano, and this one picks up immediately afterwards. Hey, what do you know? A Godzilla movie with strong continuity. Now if they could only explain what that little trinket Godzilla sells.
Okay. So the bottom part done. The bottom part is where it measures out the fuel that goes into this part, throttle part here and everything, where it goes into the engine. Now
They also brought their own upbeat funk soundtrack.
just need to put on.
Godzilla sells so they can clone their own version. Sadly, the
See.
first attempt didn't turn out like they wanted. Oh look, they just got killed by Corey Hart.
Okay.
You know, because he wears his sunglasses at night. Okay, actually this guy is an agent for an oil exporting Middle Eastern country called, Saredia? Alright, to be
needles.
Mechagodzilla. That way we can get some nudity in this movie. Flash forward 5 years and over in Japan they're doing something much more scientific, having psychic girls talk to flowers.
I like to go ahead and put the needles in all the way and then turn them out 1.5.
Let me guess. The cafeteria at this place only serves granola, right? And that's not the only weird idea here.
His latest project is start a biobank.
Yes, I've heard of it, Bob.
Do, 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 do.
Yeah, they're gonna collect the samples by having the Nobel Prize winners stand in a circle and shoot it onto a girl's face. I don't know why they're
Okay.
trying to get
So the high and low has been changed to screwed up 1.5 turns. I'm not sure how much this is supposed to be. This is the idle speed.
determines that Godzilla's awake, although the movie's title should have told her that.
Okay, so there we go. Carburetor all ready to go.
Yeah, me too. Otherwise people are gonna
And
ask me when the next video is gonna be. Yeah, who am I kidding? They're gonna do that anyway. Fortunately for Japan, if Godzilla
Okay.
does come back, this time they have weapons. Bacteria-based nuclear material.
okay. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there we go.
Listen, fellas, I appreciate the effort, but unless you're able to turn that bacteria into a giant monster to fight him, I'm not sure it's gonna work. In order to make the anti-nuclear bacteria,
Go ahead and torque these guys down.
yeah, I got him at G-Fest last year. Not that they've got Godzilla's cells, Zilla in the previous film, which almost succeeded in killing him. In fact, the only reason it didn't was because a storm created by a nuclear explosion in space revived him. In the meantime, though, they've made some improvements. Super X2 has been substantially improved.
Now I'm putting together points and gap ignition part.
Yes, that's all very impressive, but my main concern is that the kids from Gunhead don't show up. The main improvement to the Super X2 is a weapon called the Fire Mirror, which can reflect Godzilla's radioactive beam back at him.
Okay.
By Godzilla's radioactive heat rays. It has been designed to reflect their force 1,000 times more effectively.
Oh, shoot.
It's actually a marvel of modern technology, but thanks for the corny joke. Meanwhile, I think Shirogami's lab is being broken into by some douche bro terrorists. What's up, bro? You find that natty ice recipe yet? These two work for an American. Oh shit, the lab's been turned into a little shop of horrors.
Okay.
Seems to me they have to do
There you go.
Jeez, Shirogami better have a good excuse for this. Is this why you've been keeping the cells in your lab all week?
Okay, so
Trying to resurrect my daughter through a Godzilla plant hybrid, and somehow things got out of hand. Okay, take it easy, Miki. You can storyboard the movie later. Right now we got bigger things to get to. You can't believe it. Biolenting. Biolenting? My god, it's kinda pretty actually. What you're seeing there is no bushman clown. Thanks, Doc. So you did do it. You'll
Okay.
one of Godzilla's cells.
I'll clean this off really good.
I don't know. Awesome science? They revealed that Erica's soul is inside Biollante. Right now, I'll bet she's wishing her dad let her
Okay,
stay.
this here is the oil pump itself. The pumps that goes ahead and pumps oil to the chain.
Create new Godzilla enemies without resorting to radiation or space aliens. The biotech company also
Go ahead and
detonated
what it is that
and free Godzilla if they don't hand over the anti-nuclear bacteria.
this right here is a diaphragm that goes in and out, and this little barn here pushes the oil through, pressurized, but you know, very small pressure. So it pulls it in through here and puts it out through there.
Well, bad news. The Seradian agent got the anti-nuclear bacteria. But look on the bright side. He also set off the explosives and freed Godzilla, so now you can get more cells if you want to.
Go ahead and
That's Godzilla speak for I'm back, bitches. Hey, you get out of here, Count Jacula. This is my video, okay? Godzilla may be back, but at least this time he has another monster to fight. Jeez, Doc, you splice some whale in there too? I can see why this movie decided to
tighten this down.
Super X2, assigned to immediately operation against Godzilla. Well, it already took off an hour ago, so I don't know, grab a coffee and wait here, I guess. Just kidding. The Super X2 is completely unmanned.
There we go.
Really ahead of the curve when it came to drone technology. And like I said, the first Super X almost killed Godzilla. Fire mirror, the Super X2
Oh, well, hey guys, I see that I'm almost out of battery. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest on another part. So please, if you learned anything and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Also, it really helps a lot and stuff if you go ahead and put in comments or whatever. Put a like to this video. And also, you know, I'll be back on in a couple of days or so to finish it, or just maybe a couple hours to finish this. I want to make sure that I don't run out of battery this time. Yeah, it's running out of battery. So I'll cut my video here, and we'll go ahead and we'll pick this up in a couple hours from now.